Yo guys, this is Barefox back again in this video. Today we're going to be talking about the StreamLabs OBS FPS drop common error. So we all might face FPS drop error while recording game or while desktop recording. So this is a video on a subscriber's request, so I'm doing this. While guys, this is very simple to fix this error, and it has a lot with your computer specs. So if you guys want me to give you guys the perfect settings, well, leave your specifications of your computer down in the description below. I'll be responding them. So let's start with our video. So first of all, let me open up my settings for recording this video. So here's the settings in StreamLabs OBS. Now you're gonna have to come to the output, but before doing that guys, I highly recommend you to just go and delete cache and restart, click on it and hit OK. But guys, before doing this, you have to read this. You will lose your stream and encoder settings, you'll lose your scenes and sources, and it can be restored from the cloud, but this cannot be undone. So you have to choose it wisely, and this might increase the FPS for like 10 or 20 FPS. It will give you the growth rate. But if you guys cannot get any help from this, you guys have to come down to the output mode, and over here you have to come to the recording one and make sure that the output mode is advanced and not simple. So once you are here, you have to select the advanced output mode, and over here guys, you have to scroll all the way down to the recording, and over here make sure that you have your graphics card recorder on over here. Then the rate control road should be VBR and not CBR. Many people prefer CBR just because CBR is better, but according to me, VBR is the best for recording video, and CBR is the best for streaming videos. So I highly suggest you guys to use VBR, and the bitrate you have to reduce this all the way, just because the bitrates you are using is really high for your PC and it cannot handle that. So you have to reduce this all the way down, not to 0, but you guys can check where you guys do not have these frame drops. And if your bitrate is low and you're still facing this error, you guys have to scroll all the way down and go for keyframe interval. You guys are going to remove this 0 and type in 2 instead there. So make sure that you guys type in 2, but for my PC, my PC is really strong, so I'm going for 0. And for preset, in here you have to select quality or performance, not the max quality. You can go for either one of these which suits your PC. Alright, so there is. And for profile, no matter what, it should be always high. Make sure that look ahead and psycho visual tuning is turned on, and GPU should be 0 if you already have one GPU, or none. Then the max B frame, make sure that it is 2. Once you are done with all of these settings, make sure to just go and hit the done button, and you are actually ready to go. So guys, that was all covered in this video, and after doing all these steps, you might not be getting any of the frame drops or lags while recording. I hope guys I had helped you. Make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And we have actually reached to 4.1k subscribers. So guys, please show some love. It's just like 6 days ago we have reached 4,000, and today we have 4.1k. so I really appreciate your support guys. If you haven't yet already, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. We'll meet you guys in another video. Till then, stay tuned and bye.